Hi Sandipti.
Yes.
Hello. Hi
Hi,
Sandipti.
sir. Hi,
Myself
sir.
Mr. Sharma. I am working
Okay.
as a business analyst and I am providing business analysis trainings from last 8 years to throughout the globe people. Today we will discuss about what is business analysis, what about the job opportunity of a BA, and what are the main responsibilities a BA can handle in an organization. We will discuss total course. Okay, fine. Before starting our very in-depth demo session, may I know what about yourself? What about your
Sir,
education
myself.
background and may I know where are you working actually?
Okay, sir, myself is Sandeepti.
Okay,
I did my MTech and MBA.
okay,
Currently, I'm working as project coordinator in healthcare industry as
Alright.
business analyst.
Okay, really great. Fine. Hi Sandipti, myself Mr. Sharma. I am providing business analysis trainings from last 8 years to throughout the globe people. I am working as a business analyst and I am the founder and CEO to my own company. Okay, fine. Today we discuss very in-depth concepts about the total BA. Before discussing about the total BA, may I know something about yourself, Sandipti?
Hi, sir, myself is Sandeepti. I did MTech and MBA. Currently, I'm working as project coordinator in healthcare industry.
Okay, really great. Fine. Thank you. Hope you are in New Jersey. Is it right, Sandipti?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Please kindly mute yourself to get more perfect lecture. Really great. While attending this lecture, even more if you have any more different type of the doubts, definitely I will explain and I will discuss with you. Fine. First, now we discuss about exactly what is business analyst. Business analyst is a very perfect career nowadays in the industry. Business analyst is a very good job role nowadays in the industry. This job role is available in not only the software sector, it's available in banking sector, it's available in healthcare sector, it's available in pharma, it's available in retail, and whatever the different type of domains, whatever the different type of sectors are there in this world, every area business analyst job opportunities are available. Okay, good. But what exactly a BA can do in one organization? What about the main important responsibilities of a BA? Okay, fine. For that purpose, now we discuss even more very in-depth concepts about the total BA. See, I will provide the information. Then, if you have even more any different type of the doubts, definitely we will discuss. You know, this opportunity is available in all different type of the sectors. But what about the main important responsibilities of a BA? Business analyst involves in total business process analysis. Exactly what is the meaning of business process analysis? Which type of the business he analyze? Business analyst can analyze any task. The task maybe belongs to either maybe your project related task or else product related task, okay, or else your company related task, whatever it may be. Sir, why analysis? Why we analyze a project? Why we analyze a product? Why we analyze a company? Why? Because analysis mainly for two different type of the purposes in this industry we are using. Either that maybe belongs to your project analysis, or else that belongs to product related analysis, or else that belongs to company related analysis. First one is from analysis we get very clear idea how to do our work, means our task more perfectly. Okay, fine. For that purpose exactly, we conduct the analysis. From the analysis, you get some information, you get some result. According to that, we take the decisions, even more how to do our work more perfectly. That task may be your project related task, product related task, either maybe company related task. And second one is why analysis is important means from the analysis we get very clear idea about our capability. So what is the meaning of capability? Sometimes we can expect so many different type of the projects from the clients, but how to know whether we do that project or not? And how to know whether our enterprise, our organization has a capability to develop that project or not? For that purpose, definitely we conduct analysis. To conduct all this analysis in our companies, a perfect, a very skilled person is required. That skilled person is a business analyst. Business analysts need the skills related to how to complete the analysis, how to do the analysis. For that purpose, companies are recruiting the business analysts, skilled business analysts only. Okay, fine. Now I will explain even more very perfect example to you. From this example, you get very clear idea how and where exactly a BA can fit in one organization. Okay, fine. Now see, for example, you are working in one company as a business analyst. Your company name is ABC Software Company. Your company is expecting one project from one client. That client name is ABC Bank. We develop in our software company one project. That project belongs to the ABC Bank. That project is the loans project. But to develop a software project in our company, who are really required? Everyone knows that. Software engineers, developers. Along with the developers, other important skilled persons also required. That's why three important persons are required to complete a project in our organizations. First one in that business analyst. Second one in that the developer, nothing but a software engineer. And third person is a administrator. Okay, fine. These three persons are really very important. But what about really the BA? Which type of the skills a BA need? To work as a BA in any different type of the sector, either maybe healthcare related projects, financial related projects, banking related projects, retail related projects, whatever it may be, you need some skills. First, you need the skill in the functionality. What about your project functionality? You know, then after that, you have an idea about your domain. At least basic domain knowledge is required. Then at the same time, you know overall project knowledge. Yes. Sir, what about the functionality? For example, here we develop the project to ABC Bank. That project is a loans project. Yes, true. What about the functionality of the loans? What is the eligibility criteria to provide the loan to an end user? What are the internal operations of the loans, like types of the loans? Means this kind of information knowledge is required to the BA to develop your project. And domain, sir, what is the meaning of domain? Domain is nothing but a specific area where exactly we work, what we develop for which industry. Here the domain is ABC is a one bank. Your project is a banking domain. You need at least basic knowledge about that domain. But one more question, everyone raise this question, doubt. Sir, I don't have the domain knowledge. How exactly I work, I become a perfect BA? I will explain. Okay, now same in this perfect demo session only. At the same time, at least you have a knowledge about the project, overall project knowledge. That is the reason business analyst main important responsibility is you interact with the client. It's nothing but client interaction. Sir, why exactly we interact with the client? Why only BA can interact with the client? Because in a software company, project manager, architect, project architect, company chief technical officers, senior software engineers, HRs, but why only BA can are there? But why only BA can gather the information from the client, interact with the client? Why? Because you know already what about the project functionality, domain, project. That is the reason you are able to understand what exactly client is expecting. That's why while interacting with the client, even more perfectly, you gather the requirement. It's nothing but requirement gathering. Requirement gathering is a one perfect process, one important responsibility every BA must and should involve. Sir, what is the meaning of requirement? Another doubt. Requirement is nothing but the data. Requirement is nothing but the information that belongs to your project. Got it? Hope you are understanding. Fine. Sir, how exactly we gather the requirement? Which way exactly we gather the requirement? If you interact with the client, then only you gather the requirement. That's why requirement gathering is another important responsibility that belongs to the BA. Good. And not only the requirement gathering, your another important responsibility is elicitation. What is elicitation? Elicitation is another very best way to gather the requirement from other different type of the sources. See, this is also requirement gathering technique. It's really very famous, very important. Every BA must and should know how exactly we implement the elicitation in the real time. Sir, what are the ways we gather the information? Requirement, brainstorming sessions, requirement workshops, surveys, process mapping, subject matter experts, interface analysis, reverse engineering, internal interviews, and many more. All these are the different type of the ways to gather even more extra information to our project. Why? One more doubt here. Already we gathered lot of information from the client. Even more, why exactly we gather extra information from the client? Why? Because sometimes our clients may not provide sufficient information. Understanding? When the time to develop a project, we need extra, very in-depth information. That's why that situation we implement this elicitation. But I will explain in this course. Whatever the responsibilities I am explaining, in this total course, I will explain with perfect examples as well as the case studies. Fine. Not only the elicitation, your another important responsibility is business analyst. Now you involved in the analysis. Yes, already you have an idea. What is analysis? Which purpose exactly we analyze a concept? Why? Because analysis mainly for two purposes, you know. Sir, when we move to analysis, when means after gathering the requirement, whatever the requirement we gathered for the project, to know whether that information, that requirement, that data is enough or not. Is that data is really accurate or not? Is that requirement shall meet to our requirement or not? For that purpose, we conduct the analysis. Many different type of analysis concepts are there. Like here, the analysis concepts like feasibility study. It's nothing but feasibility analysis. Both are same. Next, risk analysis. Next, gap analysis. Next, document analysis, and even more, many more different type of analysis concepts are there. For example, what is feasibility study, feasibility analysis? Feasibility study provides the information to us. What about the capability, whether we are able to do that or not? For example, here we are expecting a project from the ABC Bank to develop the loans project. Okay, fine. But here one condition is there. What about that condition? Their condition is develop your project in so and so the 12 months. How to know whether we complete that project in 12 months or not? How to know 12 months are required or 18 months are required or 24 months are required? But without any analysis, if you accept the project, sometimes we may not complete that project within this duration. When the time we can expect a different type of the issues from the clients, they may not deliver the funds. That leads to sometimes legal related issues. To overcome all these different type of the problems, to develop your project more perfectly, to provide a qualitative projects to our clients, analysis is required. Here, which type of the analysis we conduct? We conduct time related feasibility study, FS. From this you get very clear idea. According to that, yeah, please ask me. What about your doubt? Sandipti, please.
Can I expect?
Yeah, please, you can. Sandipti, you ask me. Otherwise, I will give the time to discuss about the total doubts. Okay, fine. First of all, just you listen the lecture. Definitely, I will give the time. Okay, thank you.
Can I expect notes, sir?
Yeah, definitely. I will provide all these notes after completion of this session, and regular notes also definitely you can expect from my side every day. Okay, I will clarify all of your doubts. Please mute yourself, then you listen this lecture. Thank you. Not only the time related feasibility study. To know about HR related, HR feasibility study is required. To know about the infrastructure, infrastructure related feasibility study. To know about the capital, capital related feasibility study. I will explain in this course how exactly we conduct all these studies with the perfect steps. Within the only 5 steps, you can conduct any type of the analysis. Okay, fine. Same like risk analysis, gap analysis, document analysis, different type of the analysis for different type of the purposes we can use for our projects. Okay, good. You completed the analysis. Then next, another important one is business analyst involves in prepare the business cases. Why really we prepare the business case? Case is nothing but what? Case is nothing but the document. Why BA can prepare the documents? Which type of the documents BA can prepare? BA can prepare SRS, software requirement specification, business requirement document, functional requirement document, product requirement document, as well as regular reports also. Actually, we use all these documents for our current project development purpose or referral purpose. At the same time, we can utilize all these documents for our future projects purpose. Understanding? That's why BA must and should able to prepare all these documents. I will explain in this course how to prepare all these documents from the scratch. Even a non-technical background candidate also can prepare any type of the documents. That way, definitely I will explain on different type of the domains. Okay, thank you. Now everything is really perfect up to here. But how to develop the original project? Who develops the original project? Developer. Who is a developer? Developer is nothing but a technical person, software engineer. Technical persons, software engineers are perfect how to use the technologies. They are perfect. For example, .NET is there. Yes, they know how to use the .NET. Java, yes, they know how to use the really Java. But the thing is here, what is software project? Software project is not only the technology, software project is the combination of the technology plus as well as the functionality. Understanding, friends? But who provides the functionality? Definitely software engineers can take care about the total technology. Who provides it soft project functionality? Business analyst provides the project functionality to software engineers, technical team, developers. For example, what is the meaning of functionality? To develop a loan registration application, you provide the total very clear information. What exactly loan registration application contains, what are the fields, what about internal navigation, what about internal verification. You provide very detailed step-by-step information to your software engineers. They can understand that functionality. On that functionality, they implement their technology, then they develop the total project. Yes, that is the way. Fine, they developed the project, but how to know, one more time, whether that developed project is meeting the requirements of clients or not? For that purpose, in our companies, we conduct the testing. Who conducts the testing? Who take care about the total testing? Test engineers. Okay, now test manager, otherwise a testing team or total team, quality analyst. They take care about the total project testing. Once again, business analyst must provide total project information to total testing team. They can understand the total project. Then they test the developed project. They decide whether that developed project is working according to the expectations of the clients or not. Okay, fine. Now it's working fine according to the expectations of the client. But what we do next? We send that project to our client. Okay, fine. Sending the developed project, sending the whatever the project we developed, sending the developed project to client. This process name is nothing but the deployment. Means you deploy that project on the client machines. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment is a technical word. You deploy that project means you install your developed project on your client machines. Understanding? Now your client can use your developed project in their live environment. Sandipti, this is a situation where exactly a BA can fit in one organization. Even moreover, actually, don't think a business analyst is nothing but he is the only person to communicate with the clients. Only our responsibility is to communicate with the clients, gather the requirement, analysis. No. Business analyst involves, actually business analyst works same like you, a perfect project coordinator. Understanding? What is the meaning of coordination? Why coordination is important? To complete a task in our company, within our team, a very good cooperation, very perfect cooperation is important. But who coordinates that project? Business analyst. That's why BA actually works like a liaison between the client as well as the company. You are just like a mediator. You communicate with the client, explain that information to your developers and other team members in your organization. That's why you work like a project coordinator. Many more job opportunities are there, same in this role, project coordinator. 100% it's suitable to business analyst role. Okay, good. That is the reason business analyst actually works like a perfect planner in the organization. BA works like a perfect strategist in the organization. According to your plans, according to your disciplines, according to your strategies, In our companies, we develop the projects with very less cost, with very less time. That's why at the same time, your client expects qualitative projects from the companies. That is the reason this much of a demand is there for the BAs throughout the world in each and every industry. Got it? Very fine. But one more thing, my students are asking regular so many different type of the questions, same like you. Now just you asked about one question, sir, are you sending the notes or not? Yes. Now we discuss whatever the doubts exactly you have. We discuss all these doubts. I will provide very perfect information. Then according to that, even more, if you have any doubts, definitely ask me. I will clarify your doubts. Great. But one more thing, friends. See, can I learn BA?
Are you conducting any mock interviews, sir?
Yeah, I am conducting. Okay. Now I am explaining all
Oh,
this information. See,
yeah.
can I learn BA
Yes, sir.
without technical skills? Really, this is a regular doubt. Please mute yourself. Understanding. But one more thing, sir. Can I learn this BA course without any technical skills? Yes, exactly. Yes, you can learn. To become a BA, no need any technical knowledge. Okay. You can, to become a BA, you no need any knowledge, technical knowledge. But in this course, actually, I am providing some important concepts related to one technology. The technology is SQL Server. Because SQL Server is nowadays very demand. Every business analyst must and should know up to some areas in the SQL Server, because to become a data analyst and to design the projects in the companies, okay, this kind of technical skills are really enough. I am providing this so and so core total course, very in-depth information about the SQL Server. Along with, I will provide the software also. I will support you how to even install. Okay, fine. Another regular question I am expecting from the candidates like you. Okay, fine. That is, how domain knowledge is useful and which level of domain knowledge is required. For example, you are working as a healthcare consultant, like healthcare project coordinator in one company. In future, if you get a chance to work as a functional analyst, or maybe financial analyst, or maybe to work as a BA in banking related projects. Sir, how exactly I gain that so and so the knowledge? To become a BA, actually very basic knowledge is required, domain knowledge. 90% your companies as well as your clients provides which way exactly you develop the projects, which domain standards way you develop that project, you get that information from them. As well as from your side also, you can learn some concepts. But here one more doubt. Sir, are you providing any more extra information? Yes, I am providing here some information, very important information on the healthcare domain as well as banking domain also. And whatever the concepts I teach, those different type of the concepts are perfectly suitable to any type of the domain. You can convert those different type of the skills into any different type of the domain. Yes, I will provide basic information about the domain. Even more in future, if you get any chance to work in any retail or maybe hospitality, any other different type of the domains, definitely I will guide you. Fine. Next, another question. What is the total course duration? Yes, but what exactly you can expect from my side? Actually, this total course is more than the 35 hours. Why this much of lengthy? Why? Because nowadays business analyst responsibilities are more comparing with the last few years. According to the market demand, according to the industry demand, every time we are adding new concepts in this total course. Actually, I am explaining some concepts even more than the 1 hour. See, one concept only. Okay, then only you can work as a BA. That's why this total overall course is a 35 hours. Okay, as well as whatever the free sessions I am conducting, free workshops, those are totally extra. When the time I will definitely invite also by email. Another doubt, how do you provide support after completion of the training? Yes, whatever the training you attend with my company, my institute, actually we are providing the trainings to candidates. Once you completed the training, after few months or maybe few days, even more, one more time, you want to attend next time, you can attend. When the time we are not charging any amount. Here I am providing support to you after completion of the class also, to do any different type of the assignments, and to while attending any different type of the interviews, as well as even more to do any different type of the real-time projects in your company. Definitely we will provide the perfect support and assistance. Okay, next, what do you cover in this training? I am covering in this training total very in-depth concepts about the total BA, many different type of the techniques understanding, many different type of the disciplines, many different type of the case studies, and I am providing very in-depth knowledge about the total SDLC from BA point of view, from all the important roles point of view in this course. I am providing very in-depth concepts about the total different type of the models, waterfall, agile, up to 10 different type of the models, more in-depth way. Then as well as whatever the diagrams are there, important diagrams, ER, UML, use case, I will provide that information with using one software, very demand software in this market, that is MS Visio. And I will cover what exactly a BA need, provide all the information along with the database related concepts in that data modeling, database design, and data analysis related concepts. As well as in this course, I am providing very in-depth concepts about the testing, because business analyst must and should every time work with the testers, and sometimes we involve in the testing. I will provide the testing information knowledge also, up to how to prepare even more different type of the use case documents also. And I am providing project management skills, because every time BA can interact with the project manager. Okay, fine. At the same time, I will provide the IIBA certification examination related support. To become a certified BA, if you want, you attend some different type of the international level standards certification examinations. I will provide very perfect guidance. Okay, fine. And next question is, can I record the sessions? Yes, every day you can record your sessions. Okay, a number of times you can listen. Even more, if you have any doubt in our previous class, definitely you ask me in the next class. I will encourage each every student, okay, now about any doubts from the last class. Can I expect notes? Yes. What exactly I am writing every day notes also you can expect by immediate class after completion of the class by email. Along with these notes, whatever the notes I prepared, very perfect notes also, reading notes also I will provide. What about the live project? Are you providing any live project? Live project, very perfect information I will provide. How to conduct a live project, how to start a live project, what about our role in that live project. I will provide very in-depth concepts. If you want, you attend same live project session multiple times, up to getting the perfect idea how exactly we work in the real time. Then next, are you conducting any mock interviews? Multiple mock interviews I conduct when exactly you are ready to attend the mock interviews. And I will give in this course very perfect interview guidance. Interview guidance related classes also I am taking separately. How to communicate with the interviewer, Sometimes we are able to explain, unable to explain. How exactly we explain one so and so the concept. Sometimes we are unable to get answers. When that time, how to tackle that? I will provide all those different type of the skills. Then I will prepare your CV if you want, according to either maybe US standards, UK standards, or Australian standards. I will prepare your CV. Then how your BA course is unique. Yes, my total BA course is really very in-depth, very perfect explanations, user-friendly explanations. I will interact with the students every day, every time. I will communicate with the students every time by email. Even after completion of the course also, I will communicate with the student. Student also can communicate with me. I can share my mobile number, so and so the email and Skype ID to communicate regularly. As well as we are changing the course modules and adding very important new concepts according to the industry standards. Okay, fine. Even more any questions from you, Sandipti?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Fine, definitely thank you. If you have even more any questions, definitely I will explain. Okay, if
Thank
you are
you,
really
sir.
serious about your career to become a BA, definitely this will definitely helpful to you, because we are concentrating on the candidates more and more. And every day you read the session one more time, you read the notes and listen the sessions, then write down your notes whatever the doubts exactly you have, then definitely we discuss in the next classes. Okay, thank you. Thanks for
Okay.
attending this so and so the session, and even more really thanks to your total career. And okay, really great. Thank you. Bye, take care. Best of luck.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.